Can yellow bamboo turn green again?
Hello and welcome. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of plants and colors. We'll specifically discuss bamboo, a plant famous for its robustness and rapid growth. The burning question we'll address is, can yellow bamboo turn green again?
Understanding the color of bamboo.
Before we answer the main question, let's understand why bamboo can be yellow or green in the first place. Bamboo's color depends on its species and health status. There are over 1,000 bamboo species, and they can vary greatly in color, from yellow and gold to green and almost black.
Can yellow bamboo turn green?
Now, can a yellow bamboo turn green again? The answer is not straightforward. If the bamboo is yellow due to its species, it cannot turn green. The color is a natural characteristic of that specific bamboo species. However, if the yellowing is due to stress or unhealthy conditions, lack of water, too much sunlight, or nutrient deficiency, then yes, it can turn green again once these conditions are addressed.
How can we revive yellowing bamboo?
So how can we help a stressed bamboo plant regain its green color? The key is to provide the bamboo plant with the correct care and environment. Watering. Bamboo plants need sufficient water. If they're not getting enough, their leaves might start to yellow. Make sure your bamboo is receiving the right amount of water. Not too much and not too little. Sunlight. While bamboo plants love sunlight, too much direct sun can harm them. If your bamboo is yellowing due to excessive sunlight, try moving it to a place where it gets indirect sunlight. Nutrients. Just like us, plants need a balanced diet to stay healthy. If your bamboo is not getting the nutrients it needs, it may start to yellow. Fertilizing the soil can help provide these essential nutrients. In conclusion, while a naturally yellow bamboo cannot turn green, a yellowing bamboo due to stress or poor conditions can regain its green color with proper care. Remember, regular watering, balanced sunlight, and nutrient-rich soil are crucial to keeping your bamboo healthy and vibrant. Thank you for joining us on this green journey. We hope you found this discussion insightful. Happy gardening!